You hit the brakes, pull out the camera, and start capturing what is ahead. On the other side of your camera is a snow kissed scenery taking pride in her beauty. Isn't this common when the vacationer in you takes a winter road trip to drive on the snow? Knocking at the season, winter has started spreading its cloak in India. It's time for a magical winter road trip across the snowy roads. India is a treasure trove of attraction which don't just consist of its tourist places and exciting activities. Its roads are a vacationer's delight as well. Thanks to its varied topography, India experiences different moods of weather that reflect in its scenery and other countryside specifics. And winter is the best season, which has its own charm and it needs to be experienced. This season brings its own joy and challenges, but exploring the new destinations, which transforms into a more fascinating place in winters, is an experience of a lifetime. The road trips in winter are the best way to explore the majestic beauty of these wonderlands. The jaw dropping locals and lush green valleys turn fascinating in winters. The breathtaking beauty of these places makes you fall in love with the scenic vistas. The mountain peaks, placid lakes, and road become white, which manifolds the charm of road trips. To embark on the journey of your lifetime, have a look at the best road trips in winters in India. Narkanda to Sangla is among the top places to visit in India for a road trip in the winter season. Situated at 65 kilometers from Shimla, Narkanda is surrounded by lush green forests that are blanketed with fluffy snow in winter. Sangla is situated in Kinnor Valley. It is nestled on the right bank of the Baspa River and offers magnificent views of Kinnar Kailash Peak. This lesser known way offers the ethereal natural beauty, and snow turns this way into a winter wonderland. The trees covered with glittery white snow and perfect postcard views of the valley makes the road trip memorable. The never-ending sight of snow-clad Himalayas leaves you captivated and mesmerized. Stretching over almost 500 kilometers, Guwahati to Tawang is a less traveled road. Renowned as the gateway to the northeast, Guwahati is the capital of Assam and is sandwiched between the Brahmaputra River and Shillong Plateau. This road trip ends in Tawang, which is famous for Buddhist monasteries and jaw-dropping locals. During the road trip by car, you will witness the long stretch of snow-covered mountains and panoramic landscapes in winter in India. Houses and trees coated with milky white snow make a beautiful contrast with the emerald valleys in Tawang. The small hamlet of Zuluk is located at an altitude of 94,000 feet on the rugged terrains of the lower Himalayas in East Sikkim. This is an offbeat destination in India which is less crowded. Zuluk is famous for its beautiful lush green valleys and unique landscapes. The loopy pathways of Gangtok to Zuluk becomes more magical in winter. It is among the best road trip in winter in India for adventure seekers. The scenic route is a special treat, which transforms into a picture perfect in winters. The road trip presents you with incredible views of the snow-clad peaks while squeezing its way through the hairpin bands and bridges. A road trip from Sonmarg to Gulmarg in winter is almost the best journeys in India. The scenic route will take you through the Srinagar-Ladakh highway and offers the enchanting beauty of the mighty Himalayas. Located 80 kilometers northeast of Srinagar, Sonmarg is enveloped by Himalayas glaciers. Gulmarg is a popular skiing destination. The snow-covered lofty Himalayan peaks and forested valleys accompanying you during the road trip. The charismatic views of snow-covered surroundings add charm to the road trip. Himachal Pradesh is a land of many wonders and Kasol is one of them. The journey from Chandigarh to Kasol is among the best road trips to witness nature's finest artwork. From unparalleled mountain vistas to stunning landscapes, the scenic route will give you the best winter road trips experience in India. Kasol is situated in the Parvai Valley in Himachal Pradesh. In the winter season, the lush green mountains of the region, covered with a thick blanket of snow, offer a perfect backdrop for the road trip. The beauty of the route captivates both heart and soul as you take up a splendid ride.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon.